video, I'm going to be talking about the two types of memory elements in electronics for computing too. So the first type of memory elements you should get to understand is called a latch. So a latch is a sequential circuit, but how does it work? Or where does it get triggered? Or which triggering system does it use? Is it triggered by the level, or is it triggered by the what? Or is it triggered by the edge? Okay, so a latch, you should firstly understand that a latch is level sensitive. Okay, so it's level triggering sensitive. So a latch is a sequential circuit that will get activated once a clock signal reaches what? The edges, or reaches the level. Sorry. So a latch is a level triggering sensitive memory element. So it works like that. So this is the low level, this is the high level. So whenever an electronics clock signal is moving, it hits this level. Here a latch can respond, and there a latch can respond. In the edges, a latch cannot respond. So it's level triggering sensitive, or simply say it's level sensitive. Okay. From there, we should understand that also a latch, okay, works with an enable signal, uses an enable signal for activation. Okay. So it works with an enable signal, uses an enable signal, using an enable signal for activation. So in as much as it is a sequential circuit, a latch uses an enable signal for activation. Okay, then it's level sensitive. It's triggered on the what? On the levels. So it's activated whether the level is high, when the level is high, or when the level what? When the level is low. So responds to low or high. So it responds to low or high level triggers. So that is what a latch is. Okay, so whenever we're talking about something, a circuit called a latch, that is what a latch is. It's a memory element. Okay, it's a sequential circuit that is used to implement memory, but it is triggered what? On the low level or on the high level. Okay. B, the type of another memory element we should talk about, you get to understand, is called a flip-flop. Flip-flop. Okay, abbreviated F/F most cases. So a flip-flop is also a memory element. It's used to implement memory. It's a sequential circuit. Okay. So one thing you should understand about the flip-flop is that the flip-flop, first of all, is edge sensitive. Okay. A flip-flop is edge sensitive, meaning when signal is rising or when signal is falling, that is when a flip-flop can be activated. Okay. So you should understand that it uses a clock signal. Clock signal for what? For circuit activation. So the flip-flop uses clock signal for circuit activation. So it's what? It's edge sensitive. So a flip-flop is edge sensitive here on the sides, and the latch is what? Is level sensitive. A high level or low level what? Low level sensitive. So these are the two types of what? Two types of memory elements you should get to understand how they work and how they get activated in what? Electronics for computing too. So remember, these are combinational circuits, yet they have a memory element, and because of a memory element, even if they're combinational circuits, they now qualify to be called sequential circuits. So these are the two types of sequential circuits we're going to look at for implementing memory. Okay, so a latch is level sensitive and uses an enable signal for activation. So a flip-flop is edge sensitive. A latch is level sensitive, low level or high level, uses an enable for activation and response to low or high level triggers. A flip-flop is edge sensitive. It's in the sides here, so it uses a clock signal for activation. Okay, so it can be activated here or activated here, and it uses a clock signal for activation. So that's about a latch and a flip-flop.